Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's make it a great month. It's May. Imagine that. Create new agreements based on respect and love. Take the responsibility to make new agreements with those you love. If an agreement doesn't work, change it. Create a new one. Use your imagination to explore all the possibilities. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 5, NASDAQ down 12, S&P's up 2. Gold contract trading up 660 at $13.12.20 an ounce. Silver up 7 cents, $16.32 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 52 cents, $68.45 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note up 5 ticks, 119.22. 30-year bond up 8, 143.16. King dollar down 54 ticks, 92.285. The euro is trading at 119.88 to 1 US dollar. The yen is at 109.20 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so high volatility out here today. Bottom line, S&Ps, they break the swing, break it with volume. The swing we're talking about, last swing low out here, April 25th. The swing low is 260.85. We go to 259.05. You do 123 million versus 103. Bottom line, market saved itself, no doubt, because we get a rejection of the lower price also. That being said, guess what? The way this is set up, this is building cause, folks, to get into this high volume low from February 9th. What has happened is this, and this is how these things go out. If you have a high volume high, guess what? If you only have it in one sector, it's not a big deal. When you have high volume highs, let's say in the whole market, that's where you're going. We have high volume lows in the whole market. I'm going to go through a few sectors for you. You can see a few sectors already hit them. A few sectors have already broke them. Big problems right across all the indices. Inside the SPY, what we're talking about $252.92. That's what we're building cause to get down into. If we take a look at the NDX 100, the 3 Qs, same type of setup. We had an expansion of volume once again today. You got into the price point of $159.22. Bottom line, you're pushing into that last swing low. You got an expansion of volume. We did 58 million versus 52 million. The number to keep your eye on here, and this is where it's making its building cause to get down to, is the 150 area. Right now, 161.80. If we go over to the XLF, well, here, let me do the SMHs first. So the SMHs were the first ones, bottom line, to basically make a barreling right down to the February 9th low. The February 9th low in the SMHs was $93.88. Now, what's amazing about the SMHs is this. So check this out. The SMHs, when we started down in January, were at $108. We get down to $93.88. We broke the swing low that was established in December. And then what do the SMHs do? They explode topside. They take out all their highs. Bottom line, go from 93 up to 114. Then what ends up happening? They fall apart again. They do an ABC structure on the way down. It blows apart as B point on April 19th. Right now, can't get out of its way down at these lows. Thus far, we've hit a price point of 95.47. So bottom line, you're at 96 right now. You had NXPI basically get ripped apart out here today. There's more basically pain that's going to be coming in this market. So if we take a look at NXPI, this has been a one-way trade from $125 3 months ago to $92 right now. It's inside the lower range. It looks like game was on to about 80 bucks in this baby. So that's your SMHs. Now, the financials, the XLF. What do the XLF do? Bottom line today, blows apart. XLF, you're down 23 cents. Doesn't seem like huge, but guess what? You had the expansion of volume, blows out of its range. The XLF high volume swing low, $26.76. We hit 26.46. We did that with 68 million versus 149. So we're down there. That's how this shakes out. We put this on a weekly, and what you're going to see on a weekly is that you're not only down there, how we close out tomorrow is going to be crucial. The reason being is that you can absolutely get a rejection of price at this 26.76. We'll see whether we get it. And in the context of being down there, it's a huge number because of the fact that the Fed has gone up in short-term rates. They say they're going to go up again in June. The market's saying that, and guess what? The banks still can't do anything. If we go over and we take a look at the monster defense stocks, they got absolutely toasted. You know, if we took Northrop Grumman, that came down from a price point in 7 days from 359 to 302. Your high volume swing there is 313. They blew that away. And the difference in the big defense contractors, folks, is that they blew that away with volume. We've already, the high volume low from the week of February 9th in Northrop Grumman is 8.6 million. We already did 8.4 million. So you got one more day to basically blow that away. General Dynamics, same type of setup inside of General Dynamics. This baby has gone from a price point in, let's see, 8 trading days, from 229 to 191. The high volume low is 201, and we're 6 points underneath that high volume low. That's problematic in a huge way. Huge way. On the weeklies, same type of setup. In fact, this one's a real mess. Raytheon. Let's go to Raytheon next. We take a look at Raytheon. Raytheon also making its way down there. High volume low in Raytheon is 191. Thus far, you've hit 196. You're off the high of 229. And now let's go to Boeing. See, Boeing hasn't broken down yet. Bottom line, we got down to 319 today. Now, the high volume low on Boeing was 317. But guess what? Also an expansion of volume. When you're going into these lows and you get an expansion of volume, that is saying that the selling has not finished yet. Stay right there, folks. Going to come back with lots of numbers after the call. Well, right now, next segment. Dow finished up 5, Nasdaq down 12, S&P's up 4.5. We're coming right back.